Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn adding one function to another. Before starting this lesson, I want to solve review exercise in previous lesson. What we learned last lesson, we learned multiplying constant by a function. Let's solve some examples from previous lesson. Okay, a shortcut for finding derivative: find the derivative of each the following function. They're going to give three examples: a, b, c. Let's solve by one by. Okay, first one, f of x is equal to x to the power of 10. So answer is, derivative of this function is x to the power of 10 times x to the power of 10 minus 1. So x to the power of 9. This is our answer. Next one. Okay, as you see, x we get the derivative. Next, exercise B. There are the rational exponents. Let's find derivative of gx. 5 times. Okay. Let's take clear paper. G prime x is equal to 5 over 2 times x 5 over 2 minus, we subtract by minus 1, and plus what about power of x is 1, so 3 times. If we take only here we take only from x, so 1 times x to the power of 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, then the last one is the 4. Derivative of constant number is 0. Five over 2 times x to the power of, how can we subtract these two numbers? We get least common denominator. So least common denominator is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 over 2 plus 3 x to the power of 0 is 1. Then 1 times 1, 1. 3 times 1. And the last one is 0. 5 over 2 times x to the power of 3 over 2 plus 3. Five over 2, the rational exponent, and x to the power of 1, and the 4 is 0. So answer is 5 over 2 times x to the power of 3 over 2 plus 3. Last exercise is your homework. Okay, if you remember last topic, let's start new subject, adding one function to another. Okay, given a function m of x is equal to f of x plus g prime x. As you see, how can we derive this function? M prime x is equal to f prime x plus g prime x. Similarly, if the subtraction of these two functions, m prime x is f prime x minus g prime x. There the fx and the gx are independent. We derive each other only by one. Okay, let's show examples, solve the examples. As you see, f of x is equal to x to the power of 2 plus x cubed. Then derivative of this function, first one we take on the first term, x squared. Derivative of x squared is 2 times x, and the second term is x cubed. Derivative of the x cubed is 3 times x to the power of 2. Okay, another example, gx is equal to x to the power of 5 minus x to the power of 7. G prime x is equal to first term is x5. If you take the first term, derivative of first term is 5 times x to the power of 4 minus 7 times x to the power of 6. Let's solve yourself. Differentiate each of the following functions. F of x is equal to x squared plus x to the power of 4. How can we solve this function? Let's watch solutions. Okay. Given a function f of x is equal to x to the power of 2 plus x to the power of 4, then f of f prime x, derivative of this function is we derive first term and second term is x derivative of x squared is 2 times x, and derivative for x to the power of is 4 times x gives us our answer. Okay, thanks. Next exercise, another example. F of x is equal to 4 times x squared minus 3 times x to the power of 4. Let's solve yourself. I give 30 seconds, then we continue. Okay. Okay guys, let's watch the solution. Let's solve together. F of x is 4x squared minus 3x to the power of 4. Derivative of this function f prime x is equal to 4x squared derivative and derivative of second term. Then f prime x is equal to 4 times 4 is the constant number. Derivative of x squared is 2x minus 3 times 4 times x cubed. The answer is 8x minus 12x to the power of 3. Okay, another example. Let's watch solution. Here also we derive the first and second term by itself. We learned how to derive that fraction form. So minus 1 times x to the power of minus 1 and minus 1 plus x minus 2 times x to the power of minus 2 and minus 1. Then f prime x minus 1 times x to the power of minus 2 plus minus is changed to minus. F prime x is equal to minus 1 over x to the power of 2 and minus 2 over x to the power of 3. The result. Okay guys, today we have to finish second lesson, and homework is worksheet 2. I will check your homework tomorrow. See you everybody at the next class.